everybody. Today is my birthday. Not the day you're watching this, but the day I'm filming this, November 27th. I'm another year older. And today I'm starting off the video looking like this because I'm going to be getting ready with you guys, doing my skincare, my hair, my makeup, showing you my outfit. So I cannot be looking like this on my birthday now, can I? So I need to fix that. But I'm working for only 4 hours today, so I have to go do that first after I get ready. And then Adam's gonna pick me up. We're gonna go for supper, have cake, do all the birthday things. So let's get ready. I've already had my coffee, my breakfast. I'm ready to go. Hi, we're now in my filming room, aka my bedroom. But I curled my hair, so what I use is a 32mm wand, and I curl all of my curls away from my face. Recently, that's what my hairdresser suggested to do, so that's what I do now, and I've been liking to part it to the side a little bit. I usually have it parted in the middle, but I feel like this gives me a little bit more volume. And then I'll take this side of my hair, clip it with a barrette or some kind of bobby pin. Today I'm just gonna use bobby pins because I want to wear some big earrings, so I don't want the barrette to kind of clash with that. So bobby pins it is. Now for a little bit of skincare. These products have been my favorite since I started using them, and they're the Bioderma Hydra line. So these three in particular make my skin so incredibly smooth. I've been using them every single day, morning and night. I think you're only supposed to use them once a day, I'm not sure, but I use them twice. So this one is the Bioderma Hydra Moisturizing Cleansing Milk. This is amazing. My skin's been very dry in the colder season, so cleansers can really tend to dry out my skin, but this one's really nice and soft. It just has this thick consistency, and you just put it on a cotton pad and rub it all over your face, and it just blends right into your skin and sinks in, and you don't need to rinse it off or anything, which makes it so easy for just a quick skincare routine. And it also gets rid of any leftover makeup or dirt that's on your face, which is nice, so it gives your skin a nice clean base to start off with. Then I go in with the serum. This is the Moisturizing Concentrate Serum. This is for very dehydrated and sensitive skin, so you can see how this makes your skin super soft. Just put a bit of this on, and I already feel the smoothness of my skin. Last up, I use the Light Moisturizing Care Gel Cream. They have a couple moisturizers in this line, but this is the one I've been loving. I kind of just add the same amount as I do the serum and rub that into the skin. It gives my skin the smoothest, cleanest base for my makeup. I absolutely love it. Please excuse my nails, by the way. I had on fake nails and I took them off, and for some reason I didn't get my nails done for my birthday. And I don't really have time to paint them, but also there's still kind of leftover glue on my nails that I feel like would just look bumpy if I painted them, and they're also all torn off and broken. They're very, very sad looking things, so please don't mind them. I was so embarrassed by them. I almost didn't want to film the video, but that would be ridiculous. Okay, so just don't mind my nails, please. I'm gonna move on to my makeup now. I'm just going to speed through this process, show you guys the products as I do it, and then I will come back to show you my outfit. so this is the completed makeup look. I really like how it turned out. So I was gonna do a super glittery cut crease because, you know, it's my birthday. Glitter always goes well with birthdays. But when I was using the matte shades, as I was doing my eyeshadow, I was like, oh, I really want to do a matte eye and a matte lip. So this is what I came up with, and I really, really like it. So now it's time to choose some jewelry. Miss Lola sent me a package yesterday with a bunch of their jewelry, so I'm gonna have a hard time deciding. But I think I'm gonna go with gold. Maybe these ones. I think these ones will go best. But these ones kind of have a shiny pop, but I feel like they're just too much with this sweater. So yeah, I will use these ones. Let's see how these look. Yeah, I think these are the winners. I wanted to wear some big obnoxious earrings today. These ones are cute. I love them. I love big earrings. Okay, I'm gonna try and show you my outfits. Don't know how well this is gonna work. Hey, you know what? We're taking you off the tripod. Maybe this will be better. So the sweater I'm wearing is a Lovers and Friends. It's from Revolve, but I actually got it off of Poshmark. So it's like a $200 sweater that I got for, I think, $30. It's so cute. It's a turtleneck. It's gray, and then it's got these sleeve detailings on it. It is adorable. And then, I'm sorry the way I'm doing this, but my full-length mirror is so warpy and it's also dirty, so I don't really want to show you my outfit in the mirror because it looks ridiculous. Anyways, pants I'm wearing are these faux leather pants. They're really cute. I wear them literally basically every day. They're from Dynamite. And yeah, I really like them. And then the shoes I'm gonna wear, I will grab really quick. So these are the shoes I'm gonna wear. They're so cute. They're also from Miss Lola. Those didn't come yesterday. I bought those, I wanna say a couple weeks ago now. And they're so cute. I bought 2 pairs of their shoes, a bodysuit, and some jewelry of theirs. Oh, I'm just loving their stuff. Where have they been all my life? But yeah, that is the completed birthday look. Oh, I need to put on some perfume. So I'm actually out of my perfume. Just ran out. This is my favorite perfume, YSL Black Opium. But I do have a bunch of samples that just hang out in my drawer. So I'm going to put on this one, Viva La Juicy by Juicy Couture. That's the perfume I'm gonna wear, and yeah, that is it for the video. Sorry it's kind of all over the place. I started it in crazy vlog style, now I'm ending it kind of vlog style. But I really hope you guys enjoyed it anyways. Had fun getting ready with me. I'm really excited for the rest of the day. I'm actually excited to go to work because all the attention will be on me. I'm just kidding. But everyone is gonna be so sweet when I get there, so excited for that. Excited for the rest of the day. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Like this video if you did enjoy it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.